So find the value of sine 45 plus cos 45. And second question, cos 45 degree by secant 30 plus cosecant 60. So to solve trigonometric values, we have to know what is sine 0, what is sine 30, what is sine 60, what is sine 45. First we derive the table. After that we are going to solve these problems. So first step, okay. So we need sine 0 degree is how much? Sine 30 is how much? Sine 45 degree is how much? Sine 60 is how much? Sine 90 is how much? So for that, first what you do? First write the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide these numbers with 4. So if you divide with 4, 0 by 4 is nothing but 0. 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 4 itself. Next, 2 by 4 means 2 one time, 2 two times, it is going to cancel. 1 by 2. 3 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 4 itself. 4 by 4 is nothing but 1. Now apply the root. Apply the root for each value. So now, you see here, root 0, it becomes 0. Root 1 by 4 is nothing but root 1 by root 4 we can write. Here also, root 1 by root 2 we can write. Root 3 by root 4 we can write. So, the whole root we are splitting like that. For numerator separate root and denominator separate root. So, root 1 is nothing but 1 itself. So 0. So this is root 1 is nothing but 1. Root 4 we can write it as 2 square. 4 can be written as 2 square. Square and root gets cancelled. We left with 1 by 2. So this is 1 by root 2. So this is root 3 by root 4 is nothing but 2 square. Square and root gets cancelled. So finally we left with 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So these are the values of sine theta. First we are calculating the values of sine theta. Sine 0 degree is nothing but 0. Sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. Sine 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is nothing but 1. So now we will fill the sine table first. First, sine 0 is nothing but 0. Sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. Sine 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. And sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is nothing but 1. So first we got the values of sine. What we did, again I will repeat. First write the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide with 4. Apply the root. So now 0 by 4 is nothing but 0. So this is nothing but root 1 by root 4. Root 2 by 2 one time, 2 two times. Root 1 by root 2. Root 3 by root 4. This is 1. So this 1 by 4 is nothing but 2 square. Square and root gets cancelled. 1 by 2. 1 by root 2. Root 3. 4 can be written as 2 square. Square and root gets cancelled. Root 3 by 2, 1. So this is the value of sine. This is the way we can get the values of sine theta. After that, we are going to write remaining values with the help of sine values. Just write in reverse direction. So this one here, this root 3 by 2 here, 1 by root 2 will be same as it is. 1 by 2, 0. If you write sine 90 become cos 0, sine 60 become cos 30, sine 45 cos 45, sine 30 cos 60, sine 0 cos 90. Just reverse. Tan is nothing but dividing both 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is nothing but 0 again. Next, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Fraction by fraction, 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. This denominator's fraction is going to numerator now. It becomes reverse. 2 by root 3. 2 gets cancelled. We left with 1 by root 3. So therefore, tan value is nothing but 1 by root 3. Next, tan 45. Tan 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Dividing both. Dividing both will give you tan values. So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cancel. You will get 1. So tan 45 is nothing but 1. Tan 60. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. 2 gets cancelled. We left with root 3. This is the value of tan 60 root 3. So 1 by 0 is a tan 90. This we cannot define, so undefined. So 1 by 0 is undefined. So infinity. So just write in reverse direction to get the cot values. Zero. Next, secant value. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Just reverse. 2 by root 3, root 2 by 1, 2 by 1, and so if you write the reciprocals of cos theta, we are going to get the values of secant theta. That is, just reverse. Here 1, 2 by root 3, root 2 by 1, 2 by 1 is nothing but 2, and 1 by 0 is nothing but infinity. Just write these values in reverse direction. So this is the these are the values of the sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. So this is the way we have to write the trigonometric values table. Trigonometric value table. After that, we are going to solve these problems. Now we are going to solve each and every problem clearly. First question. Sine 45 degree plus cos 45 degree. So we should remember this table. Then only our problems will become more easy. Otherwise, you should write the table aside in the exam. So sine 45 plus cos 45. So what is the value of sine 45 degree? That is nothing but sine 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. What is the value of cos 45? 1 by root 2 again. So we can add these two numerators. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 by root 2. So this is the answer of sine 45 degree plus cos 45 degree. Otherwise, if you rationalize the denominator, multiply and divide with root 2. 2 times root 2. 2 into root 2 become 2 times root 2. Root 2 into root 2 become 2. 2 gets cancelled. Finally, we left with root 2. This is the answer. Second question. Cos 45 degree by secant 30 degree cosecant 60 degree. Now, what's the value of cos 45 from the table? Cos 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2 by, what is the value of secant 30 from the table? Secant 30 is nothing but 2 by root 3. Cosecant 60 is again 2 by root 3. So now 1 by root 2 by, both having same denominator, directly we can add the numerator. 2 plus 2 become 4 by root 3. Fraction by fraction, whenever the denominator is fraction is going to numerator, it becomes reverse. Root 3 by 4. So that is 1 into root 3 become root 3. 4 times root 2. 4 times root 2. Or otherwise, if you want to rationalize the denominator, multiply and divide with root 2. Root 3 into root 2 become root 6. Root 3 into root 2 become root 6. In the denominator, 4 into root 2 into root 2 become 2. So that is root 6 by root 8. Next question number 3. Sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degrees minus cosecant 60 degree by cot 45 degree cos 60 degree minus secant 30 degree. Sin 30 from the table is nothing but 1 by 2. Tan 45 is nothing but 1. Cosecant 60 is nothing but 2 by root 3. By cot 45 is nothing but 1 from the table. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. And secant 30 is nothing but 2 by root 3. So now we see the numerator and denominator both are exactly the same. We can cancel out and we can write 1. So if you want to do the calculation, we will write the next step. First, add these two. Take the LCM and add. What is the LCM here? Cross multiply, we can use it. 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. In the denominator, 2 into 1 is nothing but 2 again. First, I am doing the addition of these two fractions. In the denominator also same. 1 is nothing but 2. 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. 1 into 2 is nothing but 2. Minus 2 by root 3. 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. Same. 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. Again take the LCM. 3 into root 3 become 3 times root 3 minus 2 to the 4 by 2 times root 3 by 3 into root 3 become 3 times root 3 minus 2 to the 4 by 2 root 3. Fraction by fraction. 3 times root 3 minus 4 by 2 times root 3 into, take this denominator fraction to numerator, it becomes reverse. So if you simplify, these two going to cancel, these two going to cancel. This is nothing but 1. So if you see here the denominator and the numerator both are same. We can cross out and we can write the answer 1 also. Question number 4. Two times tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. That is 2 times tan 45 is nothing but 1, that is 1 square. Cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2 whole square. Sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 whole square. So that is 2 into 1 square is again 1 itself. This is root 3 by 2 whole square means root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, 2 times. Here also root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, 2 times. So 2, root 3 into root 3 become 3, 2 to the 4, minus root 3 into root 3 become 3 by 4. Both gets cancelled. Finally we left with 2 is the answer. Next, last question. So substitute the value. Secant 60 is nothing but 2 square minus tan 60 is nothing but root 3 whole square by sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 plus cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2 whole square. That is 2 square become 4 minus square and root gets cancelled. We will get 3 here. So 1 by 2 whole square is nothing but 1 by 4 and this is root 3 by 2 whole square, that is nothing but 3 by 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. In the denominator, if you add the fractions now, both having same denominator, that is 1 plus 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4 by 4, that is nothing but 1 by 1. The answer will be 1. Secant square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is equal to 1. So just remember, tan square 45 means tan 45 whole square. Cos square 30. What is the meaning of it? Means cos 30 whole square. Cos 30 value is how much? Root 3 by 2 whole square we have to write.